Hello, every nerd, nerdette, noob. It is me, and it is early in the morning. No, not really. It's noon, but I just woke up. Because yesterday was Black Friday. Yay. Um, but I'm about to eat me some lunch of leftovers from Turkey Day. But before I did that, I wanted to go over what I told you I'd go over yesterday. Just so I didn't forget. So, here's Adventure Time. Hey, Ice King, why are you stealing our garbage? I have no idea what this game will be. Yeah. It kind of looks like a platformer-ish, RPG-ish type game. From like what I can tell on the back. Whatever it is, BMO sure is excited about it. Who wants to play the video game? Who wants to play video games? Journey through the land of Ooh and find perilous dungeons, radical treasure, and monsters to punch in a quest of never-ending fun. That's what it says on the back. It's rated E10 plus for animated blood, cartoon violence, cartoon mischief, slang. Okay, then it turns into Spanish. So, but animated blood, cartoon violence, and comic mischief. Okay. Inside, you have your Adventure Time. Ice King, why you steal our garbage? Why'd you steal our garbage? Club Nintendo. If you do not know about Club Nintendo, there's a code on the front to this. I already put it in, so see where my fingers are? There's a code here, okay? And you put this in at clubnintendo.com, and as it says, get games, gear, and more. What you do is you take this pin, tell them about the game and why you bought it, and then 7 days later they'll ask you to complete a survey about what you liked while playing the game. This is your pre-play survey that you do right after you do the pin. It'll ask like, how'd you find out about this game? What are you expecting from it? Why'd you buy it? Did you already have a Nintendo 3DS before you bought this game? If not, did you buy this game just because you got a 3DS? Or I think it's like 12 questions max, and there's only like maybe 2 or 3 righty parts. The rest is just click. And then use your coins to get rewards, only available to Club Nintendo members. I'm waiting for my afterplay survey, because after my afterplay survey I can finally get this Animal Crossing card holder that I've been wanting for my game cartridges, because I have a lot of old like DS Lite games that I just kind of have in a cup because I've lost all the cases. So yeah, sign up at clubnintendo.com. I would suggest you do this because this is amazing. I got one of my favorite t-shirts from them. Plus, after Christmas, I have a CD of the soundtracks from Majora's Mask, Legends of Zelda Majora's Mask, because I bought so many Nintendo products within a year. I got Platinum membership, so I got extra prizes. And I will preach this every single time I have one of these in a video game, because Nintendo is just amazing like that. That's why I kind of like Nintendo better than Xbox. Even though I love my PlayStation, because PlayStation is and will ever be my first system. Oh, right. Anyway, here is our game pamphlet. Ooh, fancy. Of course, you got all your warnings in the beginning. Looks like we'll have an inventory and some hearts for health, and a map and some options. Options are always good. Here it shows you all your movements and what they do and what button to press if you want to do them. Customer support numbers, more. Yeah, and then if you're French, you have a list too, and I think Spanish, but I'm very rusty. And then it tells you all about all kinds of Adventure Time products, which are always good, because I like Adventure Time. And then on the back it advertises their book series and comic booky type stuff. Lumping, read already! I can't do Lumpy Space Princess, I'm sorry. I bet she sounds more annoying in Spanish. Just because it'd be like super fast talking, or would it be really slow speaking? Because she's kind of slow speaking in English. I don't know. I really want to look that up now because I'm really curious what she sounds like. Anyway, here's our Adventure Time Nintendo 3DS cartridge. And as always, I will do a review about this eventually, whenever I play it. Animal Crossing does take up much of my time. While most people put away their Animal Crossings when Pokemon came out, I played Pokemon twice and then got bored and went back to Animal Crossing. I know I'm a horrible Pokemon fan, aren't I? I'm sorry. But as soon as I get over Animal Crossing, which I doubt will happen, I'll be playing a lot of these games. But alright, that's enough for this review. I need to go do my other 2 reviews so I can go eat, and then I can go leave, because I'm gonna go to my grandparents' house. Yeah. Alright guys, I'll see y'all later. Bye, bro hoof, or bro something, since this isn't a pony video. Oh look, Polaroids.